Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Barbara and this is my home sweet home. Today we're in the bathroom and I'm sharing a facial moisturizer that feels like a soft little reset button for stressed out skin. This is the IOPE XMD Stem 3 Clinical Recovery Cream. First impression, it's lightweight, it sinks in fast, and it gives your skin that calm, cushioned feeling without any kind of heaviness. You know, when your face just feels a little reactive, dry, tight, or easily flushed, this is the kind of cream I'd reach for when I want comfort and a polished finish. What it's made to do is pretty specific. Help reduce the look of redness, smooth the look of texture, and support your skin barrier, especially after professional treatments. The brand shares clinical results like up to 85% visible redness reduction post-procedure, plus big improvements in the look of skin barrier and texture, so it's clearly designed for that recovery season of skin. Formula-wise, it includes PDRN to support the skin barrier and skin rejuvenation look, and micromolecular hyaluronic acid for that plump, hydrated feeling, plus soothing ingredients that help your skin look and feel more balanced and comfortable. And they say you can feel hydration and elasticity improve within about 30 minutes, which is perfect when you want your skin to look and feel a little more alive after or before heading out the door. Home sweet home tip: when your skin is feeling more sensitive, keep the rest of your routine simple. Gentle cleanse, a hydrating layer, then seal it with a barrier supporting cream like this. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.